Good one, dude.
I will get to get him on here. He was pretty easy to get off, Dad, for me, Daddy.
You think so?
Yeah, can I do it, please?
Sure. There we go. Another one, Theo. Nice. Bluegill Central over here. Yep. All right, let's get it back in the water so it doesn't die. Goodness gracious, look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at all those fish.
Whoa! Let's count it.
That one is so big. This one is
Let's
huge.
count. Can I have those two?
There you go. They're good. There they go. Good job, guys.